Hi guys, welcome back to the Tatted Educational Coach. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to go over a series of geometry. Now that the school year is over, I have picked up a couple of more students to tutor, and the one thing that was the most requested this summer is geometry. So I'm going to go over some geometry stuff. All right, so we're going to talk about midpoint on a coordinate plane. Okay, so here's my midpoint formula right here. I have x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So why does it look like this? Well, if we remember from algebra 1, we talk about coordinates. Well, to specify a coordinate, you have x and y. That's why I have my x and my y. All right, so we're going to move forward and find the coordinates of M, the midpoint of line AB, for A is the coordinate of -2, 1, and B is 8, 3. So the one thing I love about geometry is I'm a very visual person. If it doesn't have a picture, tip for you, create a picture. Label what you know based off the information that's given to you. I'm a visual person and I like to have a line. So there's my line. I'm gonna label it A and here's my B. So we're looking for my midpoint. So we're gonna put M right there, okay? So what do we know? We know that I have A is -2, 1 and B is 8, 3. So those are my coordinates. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. The same thing like I do in the distance formula, I do the same thing in midpoint formula. So now that I've labeled everything, I'm going to plug these values into the formula. So my x1 is a -2 plus my x2, which is plus 8, divided by 2. I'm going to put like a little comma there. Just gives me some space there, okay? And then my y1, which is 1, plus my y2, which is 3, divided by 2. So I'm going to focus on this one right here. -2 plus 8 is going to give me a +6 over 2. And 1 plus 3 is 4 over 2. Now 2 can go into 6 evenly. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 can go into 4 evenly. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my midpoint coordinate for M is going to be 3, 2. I hope this helps. Like, follow, share, save. If you have any other questions or looking for anything else when it comes to math, let me know. I'll do it. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.